Masala French toast. A spicy egg masala bread recipe. Perfect idea for breakfast or lunchbox. Please subscribe to my channel. This is a very easy and quick to make recipe. This makes a perfect evening snack too. Let's begin. To a large bowl, add in 6 eggs. Add 1 large finely chopped onion. Add 10 to 12 finely chopped green chilies. Add a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves. To this add 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Added a pinch of salt to it. Whisk the eggs really well with the added ingredients. Once the egg mixture is ready, take a slice of bread. Pour the egg mixture over one side. Making sure it's well coated. Take a wide pan and grease it with some butter. Carefully place the egg-coated side on the pan. Add the egg mixture on the other side of the bread slice too. Flip the sides once it's well done. It takes around 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame to cook well on each side. Toast the bread until you get a nice golden brown color. Hope you enjoyed the making of this quick and easy recipe. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.